Okay, Gemini, this is your September 1st week love reading, and this is also a yes or no reading. So whatever question you have in your mind, just think about the question and you'll get the answer. And remember that this is just a weekly reading, so treat it, we try to learn from the reading or try to understand the energies. And I will also pull an oracle card in order to suggest you what is the message of the universe for you. And the card are the Hierophant, we have Four of Wands, and the Devil. Okay, and from the love oracle, we have the picture. Beautiful card, Virgo, and very powerful message. And first of all, the signs that are associated with these cards that you might be dealing with are Taurus, Aries, and Capricorn. And a hint of Cancer is also there. So if these signs are associated, your person might be one of these signs. Now, the two cards, they are the best card, I think, of the tarot deck, and they are suggesting that the relationship that you have or had, and if you even if you do not have a relationship or you're not in a relationship, something good is about to happen. Somebody is going to propose to you, and your relationship, your temporary relationship, is going to turn into a permanent one. That means you are going to get married. And the Hierophant says that it will be traditional. So the parents, if your parents are not approving this relationship that you are in, they are going to approve. If you are not in a relationship, you are single, your parents are going to find you a partner very soon. And this is also about commitment. So even if it's not a marriage, then somebody is going to give you a commitment that they are going to be with you forever. But we also have Devil. So what is happening here is you had a past relationship with someone, and you are that past memories are calling you. You can't get out of it. The picture card, this is not for you, this is for your partner, and it says that somebody is missing you, and they are looking at your pictures, they are trying to connect with you, they are trying to reach you, and they can't let go of you, but you want to move ahead in life. So the love oracle says that you are not getting over of that past person, but the love oracle says that you need to learn this thing, that the past should remain the past, and you should always focus on your future and your present. And the card says make new memories, because memories are something that can be made always. So what the message is here, that beautiful future is waiting for you. But if you will be stuck in the past, then it is not going to help you in any way, and you are actually ruining your future as well. So don't do that unless and until you're very sure about the person that you are thinking right now. You are very sure that this time, if they are trying to lure you with the commitment, so you're sure that they're going to commit to you, then only go. Otherwise, if you have been through this thing and you have even an iota of doubt about the behavior or the commitment, then trust the universe, and they have a better thing for you in the future. Unless and until your person, your past, is not giving you a 100% commitment, do not go there, because memories should be pleasant and not unhappy, and you can always make new memories. So don't look at those old photographs, and if your partner is telling you, your past partner is telling you that we had such things, we had such feelings, and come back, or don't leave me, don't get married, or things like this, then you should be wise enough to sane enough to see what is right for you and what is not. And if you let that new person enter in your life, the universe says that